Yeah?
I love this place. I'm finding a view. I found a tree.
Yeah? That's a cool tree.
Usually use these trees, creepy trees, for Christmas trees.
Nope, we don't use those for Christmas trees.
Well, Mommy,
We...
well, some people lose these. Some people lose these. Just put little ornaments on them.
Yeah.
I see some cars.
Yeah, there's lots of cars. It
But
sounds
there-
like we're getting farther away from all the other stuff though, right? We're starting to hear more birds. Do we hear the river yet?
I just hear a bird whistling, and now I saw a bird go flying away. And I wish we wouldn't have the net so we could catch it and see what it was a little bit more.
I think I can kind of
That's
hear
a
the river.
big. That looks curls like that because it looks like it's a tier tree.
Oh, I hear the river. Do you hear it? You hear it, you just don't know what the sound is.
I don't know.
Yeah.
That tree is so impressive. It looks like it's a tier.
A tear. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And crows like it.
Oh, okay. Well, we can finally hear the river, so we're getting closer.
Yeah. You'll hear because if we keep walking, you'll hear the river even louder in that.
Yeah?
That's why we're gonna keep moving so you can hear the river a lot louder.
Oh.
That looks like it's a bridge.
It does look kind of like it's a bridge, doesn't it?
Where people
Is-
another tree could fall down and someone could walk on it and and all those and once you get on all the trees.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a couple more trees that look like tears.
Yeah, that one definitely interesting.
Yeah.
Maybe that's just how that tree grows. Well, it looks like some of them are trimmed.
There's nuts on that tree.
There's nuts. Oh, pine cones.
And we got some squirrel food. Where did Papa give us? It's our Papa was, someone sent him stuff on what they build. And then Papa was building it a little bit. It's because one person knew Papa loved feeding squirrels.
Yeah. It's his neighbor Kurt. His neighbor Kurt made him those. This is a pretty area to walk, isn't it?
And Papa puts on his fence, and the squirrels come and be like, yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. Okay.
It just looks like it's a swirl.
Oh, okay.
It looks like a tall person. That looks like it's a tree walking.
A tree walking.
Yeah, because of that.
Oh, okay. Yeah? It's kind of hard to hear all of the nature around us with all the cars, isn't it? We don't hear as many birds right here, do we? Because there's not as many trees. No, they used to have a bench and a grill here. They took them away for some reason. Yeah, they used to have a grill right there.
There's a fly and there's a spider web in there.
Oh.
I'm never gonna put my hand down there.
Can we hear the river more now? We're getting closer.
I hear it. We're getting closer to the river.
We definitely hear lots of trucks.
Yeah, like the river is probably this way. We're kind of getting to the river. Here it is, the river.
What do you think your favorite sound is so far? Oh, look at that. You can see the,
A dog!
yeah, you see the duck in the water. Huh.
You could probably do something with this. Oh, you can draw something with it. Super cool.
Yeah, the sand.
Yeah, you could jig something.
Oh, yeah. You can hear the trucks driving over us. You have a favorite sound so far?
The ocean.
The water?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty calming, isn't it?
There used to be a tree there, and someone cut it.
Yeah, it might have fallen farther up the river and just, yeah, careful. This is sand. It'll slide on you.
There's a bigger tent.
What's up, bug?
There's a bigger tent.
A bigger what?
A bigger, like, thing with more sand.
Yeah.
It's like you can take a better view.
Oh, if you go higher up, you could get a better view?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it makes sense. We're pretty high up already, though. I don't know if it makes much of a difference going up there versus over here.
Just a little bit better.
Yeah? You
got-
see anything with your binoculars?
I can see some sand in the water.
Yeah?
I see a little thing right there.
Oh.
This actually kind of looks like it's a beach.
Yeah. It's got the right kind of sand.
There might be something.
All right. Do you want to keep going or do you want to walk back to the car?
I want to keep going.
Okay.